Cambridge IGCSE 0580 paper 2 is predictor paper October-November 2025. This is non-calculator paper, so 2 hours duration. Okay, let's go for the first question. Work out 4 by 9 times 27 by 20. Give your answer as a fraction is in the simplest form. So 4 by 9 times 27 over 20. So just go for simplification. This is 9 times table, 1 times 9 and 3 times, and 4 times table, 1 times 4 and 5 times, which is, so 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 5 is 5, so the final answer is 3 over 5. Next, write down the order of rotational symmetry of a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram, so there is no symmetry line here. So the rotational symmetry, we have to rotate 360 degree. How many times you can see the same figure? So when we rotate 180 degree, we can see one, and again 180 degree we will see another one. So this is 2 times rotational symmetry. Next, convert 22,400 in centimeter square into meter square. So 22,400, how many centimeters are there? 2 centimeters. So centimeter times centimeter. So we have to change it to meter. Centimeter to meter, we need to divide it by 100, because small to big we need to divide by 100. Centimeter to meter we need to divide it by 100. So 22400 divided by 1 by 100, and 22400 divided by 100, again divided by 100. So meter times meter, so meter square is become, so divided by 100 divided by 100, so we have to write 22,400 divided, when we change to multiplication it will be reciprocal, so times 1 by 100, so 1212. Then 2 zeros here, we'll go for the decimal place here, so 2.24. Or just do this 22,400. Okay, so divided by how many zeros? So 1 2 3 4, that's it. So you need to move 1 2 3 4, so that's the answer. Next question. John has a by a 6-sided die, so getting number 1, number 2, so all the probabilities given, so one probability missing, which is 2. So we know when we add up all the probability we'll get 1. So when we finding this thing, 1 minus, take away this entire thing, 1 minus 0.10 plus 0.25 plus 0.20 plus 0.30 plus 0.10. 0.10, which is going to be equal to 1 minus 0.95. So the answer is 0.05. So this place 0.05 is going to be filling here. So John rolls the die, calculate the probability that it lands on a prime number. So prime numbers, 1 is not a prime number, 2, 3 and 5 is the prime number. So probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 5, which is 0.05 plus 0.25 plus 0.30. So the answer going to be 30 plus 25, 55, 55 plus 5 is 60, so 0.60. Next, find the value of 343 power 2 by 3. So 343 power 2 by 3, so I can write 1 by 3 times 2. What is 1 by 3? So in number power 1 by 3, so square root of x we can write x power 1 by 2. Cube root of x we can write x power 1 by 3. So x power 1 by 3 means nothing. This is a cube root. So cube root of 343 whole square, because there is a 2 here, whole square. So 343, just do prime factor, which is, so we'll go for 7 times table. 7 times 4, 28, then 6 left, 9, so 7 cube. So the answer is going to be 7 cube root of 343, 7 square, which is 49. So 49 is the answer here. Next, find the highest common factor HCF of 51 and 119. So first 51 prime factor. So when I'll go for 3, so 1 7 17. So that's it, both are prime numbers. So next I'll go for 119, so which is 3 is not possible, so 7 times, so 1, then 4 left, which is 49, 17. So these are all the factors. So 51 equal to 3 times 17, and 119 equal to 7 times 17. So highest common is only the common thing, which is 17. So highest common is 17. Next, question 7. Y is inversely proportional to x plus 1 whole cube when x equal to 1, y equal to 0.5. Calculate y when x equal to 3. So this one, y is inverse proportional to 1 by, that is inverse x plus 1 whole cube. So when the proportional will become equal, which is we have to add some integer here, which is k x plus 1 whole cube. Use the first value, just find out the k here. Y is 0.5, 0.5 equal to k over x is 1, so 1 plus 1 whole cube, which is 0.5 times, this is 2 cube. When I bring it left side, it's become multiplication, 2 cube equal to k. So the answer is going to be 2 cube is 8. 8 times 0.5, which is 4. So the answer is 4 here. Now we got, just plug in here. Just plug in here. So you will get y equal to k value 4 over x plus 1 whole cube. Now we need to calculate y when x equal to 3. Just calculate y equal to 4 by x equal to 3. So x plus 1 whole cube, which is 4 over 4 cube, sorry, here is 3. So just plug in x equal to 3. 4 cube, which is 4 by 4 cube is 64. Which is going to be equal to 1 by 16. The answer is 1 by 16 here. Next, to find the value of x when y equal to 1 by 16. Bring the same equation here. Y equal to k, y equal to 4 over this one. So I'll bring it here. Y equal to 4 over x plus 1 whole cube. Here the y value is given, which is 1 by 16. 1 by 16 equal to 4 over x plus 1 whole cube. So rearrange here, x plus 1 whole cube equal to 4 times 16. So we can bring it here multiplication, we can bring it here multiplication. So x plus 1 is going to be right side will become cube root. When you adopt this cube, right side become cube root. Cube root of 4 times 16. 4 times 16 is nothing. This is cube root of 64, which is 4 times 4 times 4. So the final answer going to be 4x plus 1 equal to 4. So x equal to 4 minus 1, which is 3. So x equal to 3 here. Next, simplify square root of 8 plus square root of 50. So square root of 8, so we can write multiply with the square number, which is 4 times 2. Plus here we can write 25 times 2. Okay, so it is going to be square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 2 plus square root of 25, 5 root 2, which is 5 plus 2, 7 root 2 is the answer. The answer is 7 root 2. Next, rationalize the denominator. So yeah, so here there's a plus, so we'll multiply root 3 minus 1 over root 3 minus 1. The numerator going to be 2 into root 3 minus 1. The denominator going to be, so denominator I'll do separate here, root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. So just multiply root 3 times root 3 is going to be 3. Root 3 times minus root 3, then plus root 3 and minus 1. So this will become 0. 3 minus 1, which is 2. So denominator is going to be 2. So the answer is 2 and 2 got cancelled, which is root 3 minus 1 is the answer here. Next one, without using a calculator, work out this value. So first, this is mixed fractions, so you need to change into improper fractions. 7 times 3 is 21, 21 plus 2, 23. So 23 over 7 plus here 4 over 9. Make a single fraction, which is we need to take LCM, the denominator, make a same denominator. So we have to multiply a 9 here, we have to multiply a 7. So we need to multiply numerator and denominator. So 23 times 9 is going to be 207 over 63 plus 4 times 7, which is 28 over 63. So denominator going to be 63, the numerator 207 plus 28, 28 plus 7 is 35. So 235. Final the answer as a mixed number. So mix here, how many 63s there? 235, which is 3, 4, not possible, only 3. 363s are there. So 363 is going to be, it's 9 and 8, 189. Take away 189, so 11, so 46. 46 over 63. So this is the answer, 346 over 63. Next question, question number 10. The diagram shows the speed time graph, the part of the journey of a car. Okay, the car starts from rest and accelerates the uniform rate for 15 seconds before reaching the constant speed of 30 meters per second. Calculate the acceleration for the 15 seconds. First 15 seconds we need to find the acceleration. So acceleration is displacement. Acceleration is displacement. This means change of s over change of time, which is going to be change of displacement is 30. So here to move is 30 over the time is 15 seconds. So it is going to be 2 meter per second square. So the answer is 2 here. Next, after t times, the total distance traveled 35.775 kilometers. Find the value of t. We need to calculate t. The t formula is going to be calculate time distance traveled. Okay, sorry, distance. We need to find the distance. We need to find the area of under the graph. So finding area traveled kilometer is given. So which is 35.775. This is kilometer, then here is a meter. We need to change into kilometer to meter. change into kilometer to meter, we need to multiply 1,000 here, which is 35775 meter. Okay, so this one, the question is given as a seconds. Here only we have minutes, so we need to change into seconds. Minutes to second we have to multiply by t, so it becomes 60t. Okay, so distance 35775 equal to distance. We need to find the area below the graph. First we'll find the area this. So here is a 15 and here is 30, so half into 30 into 15 plus finding the area, the rest. So the move after 60 t, so 60t somewhere here, so we need to just take away this, so we'll get the rest of the length. So somewhere they reached here. First we found the area until here, so we need to find the rest only. So this one, they reached the 60t seconds here, so this area is going to be, this length is going to be 60t minus 15. This is going to be 30. So it's a rectangle, so area is going to be length times the width. Okay, it's 60t minus 15 and times 30 into 60t minus 15. So we'll calculate 35775 equal to, this is going to be 15. So 15 times 15 is 225 plus, when you multiply inside, which is 3 times 6 18, then 2 zeros. Okay, 1800t minus 15 times 3 is 45 450. Then 225 minus 450 is become 35775 equal to minus 225 plus 1800t. So next I'll bring 225 here, maybe plus, so 35775 225, when we add up 00063, so we'll get it 36000 equal to 1800 t. When I bring it 1800 side, it will become divide 36000 over 1800 equal to t. So 100 is divide on numerator and denominator, so which is going to be 20. So t is going to be 20. Next one, the scale of the map is 1:2000. Okay, so area of the road is 400 meters square. Calculate the area of the road on map. Okay, given. Okay, so just as a scale factor, so ratio is given, which is 2000. Finding the area factor is going to be, we need to square both the side. So I'm going to write area equal to 1 square is 1 and here 2000 square. 2002 square is 4 and the zeros become doubled, so 6 zeros. Okay, now the original area is given, which is 400. We need to find this one. We need to find from here to here what happened, how many zeros they have divided. 1 2 3 4, say they divided by 1 2 3 4, so that's the thing. So this also will divided by that many times. So it is going to be x equal to 1 by 10,000, which is equal to 0.0001 meter square. Okay, this is meter square, so everything meter square. Final answer they asked in centimeter. So meter to centimeter we need to multiply 100. Meter to centimeter we need to multiply 100, but here meter square we need to multiply 2 times 100, which is 0.0001 times 100 times 100 centimeter square, because 2 meters, so 2 times we need to multiply. So the answer going to be 4 zeros, so 1 2 3 4, the answer is going to be 1 centimeter square. That's the answer. The answer is 1 here. Next question 12. Dina invest 2000 in an account that pays simple interest at a rate of R percentage per year. At the end of 3 years, the account has earned 300 in interest. Calculate the value of R. So simple interest formula, PRT over 100 equal to simple interest. So the value is given, which is 2000, and how many years, which is rate we don't know. Rate I'll write as R, 3 years over 100 equal to the interest is going to be 300. Okay, so here I can divide as 0 0 0 0 because I divided 100 numerator and denominator, so it's gone. The rest is going to be R equal to 300 over 3 into 20. So again 1 0 gone. 6 times 30 is 5. So R equal to 5 is the answer here. Okay, next, hence otherwise the calculate the total value of investment after 6 years. First 3 years is 300 interest. Next, a simple interest, the same interest again. So 2000 the investment plus first 3 months they are getting 300. So 300 is the interest. Okay, next 3 years, total 6 years. So 3 years plus 3 years, which is another 300. So which is 2600. Next, Marcus invests 2500 in a bank which pays simple interest rate of 2% at the end of 6 years. Whose investment more valuable? So we'll calculate 2500 times 2% is the interest, also 6 years over 100. So we will get an answer. This one, one two one two. So 25 times 2, 50. 50 times 6 is 300. 300 is the interest. So total amount is going to be 2000 plus 300, which is 2800. So as per this calculation, Dina's amount is fine after 6 years only 2600, and Marcus investment is 2800. So Marcus amount is more valuable. So finally you have to write Dina's investment after 6 years is 2600, and Marcus investment after 6 years is going to be 2500. Therefore Marcus investment is more valuable. Okay, next question 13. As A is the point 5, negative 5, and B is the point 9, 3, find the coordinates of the midpoint. So midpoint, just we do add up x and x axis, which is 5 plus 9 over 2, y and y axis minus 5 plus 3 over 2, which is 14 by 2 and minus 2 by 2, which is 14 by 2 is 7 and minus 2 by 2 is negative 1. That's the answer for midpoint. Next, to find the length of AB. The length of AB, so AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1. This one will take x1, y1 and x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, change of x, which is 9 minus 5 whole square, plus change of y, 3 minus of minus 5 plus, which is plus 5 whole square, which is square root of 4 square plus 8 square. So the answer is square root of 16 plus 64. So 70 square root of 80. Square root of 80, they said give our answer in the exact form, so we have to leave as answer third form. So square root of 80 we can give square root of 16 times 5, which is 4 root 5. So the answer is 4 root 5. Next, write down the gradient of the line that is perpendicular to the line BB. First, line AB. So first we need to find the gradient of AB. So so we'll write m equal to, so change of y over change of x. Change of y is 3 minus of minus 5, which is 3 minus of minus 5 over change of x, which is 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, which is 8 over 4, which is 2. So the gradient is going to be 2. And now we need to find the perpendicular gradient. So perpendicular of, this is m, perpendicular of m, and the line gradient is going to be always negative reciprocal. Negative, then we need to swap upside down, which is 1 by 2. The answer is going to be negative 1 by 2. Next one, question 14. Describe fully the single transformation that maps flag B onto flag A, B to A. So you need tracing paper, so fix a tracing paper and get the rotation. Also find the sender. Okay, so you will get this one. Rotation 90 degree. You'll get anti-clockwise with center as 0, 0. Okay, the next part, flag A onto flag C. Flag A to C. Flag A to C, what happened, which is enlargement. So one is small, one is big, it's not a rotation, so it's going to be, first you have to write enlargement. Next you need to find the center. So the center is, we need to connect all the points here. So first you have to use a ruler and connect these 2 points. Okay, then we have to connect these 2 points, and we need to connect this point and this point also. Okay, so this is not a proper one, we need to use a ruler. So do the same process. Okay, you should connect all 3 points. Okay, so fine, the center is going to be negative 2, 1, so it's going to cross all the points through here. So when you use a ruler, so you'll get a proper center. When you draw the third one also, it definitely passing through here. So you need to write the center negative 2, 1. So next you have to write center negative 2, 1. Next you have to check the scale factor, how many times is increased. So if the same position, same direction, so it's a positive. So here is it's a rotated, so it's going to be negative. So we'll find out that. Just check one point, that's enough. So I said the center is 2, 1. So just go with this, only this point. How many units up? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 up and 2 left. 4 up and 2 left. Now go for the same one, check from here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 2 3. I made a mistake, sorry. Okay, so this is your sender. First you check how many left. Okay, right or left should be first. 1 2. So negative 2, 2 left, and 1 2 3 4, 4 up. So now the same sender, check here first how many. 1 2 3 4, 4 right, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, negative 8. So because 8 down, so how many times is multiply by negative 2? Negative 2 times in case. So first one, negative 2 times negative 2 is going to be 4. 4 times negative 2 going to be negative 8. The scale factor is negative 2. So the scale factor negative 2. Next question 15. Simplify 2x square plus 5x minus 12 and 4x square minus 9. So first we need to factorize the numerator 1. Say 2x square plus 5x minus 12. When you multiply, the extreme is going to be negative 24. When the sum is going to be 5. The factors are 8 and 3, which is here is a positive, so 8 and negative 3. So split the middle term, 2x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 12. Bring the highest common factor out, 2x, so x plus 4. So write as it is here, x plus 4, so negative 3. So 2x minus 3 and x plus 4. 2x negative 3 and x plus 4 in the numerator. The denominator 1, 4x square minus 9. So we can write 2x whole square minus 3 square. So a square minus b square when it comes. So we can write 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. So right below, 2x plus 3 and 2x minus 3. Minus 3 got cancelled. The rest is going to be the answer, x plus 4 over 2x plus 3. Next question 16. X is an integer, so this is the whole set. Whole set is going to be question 1 to 10. So this set belongs to 1 2 3 until 10. This is the main set. The numbers should be in main set. Okay, we cannot choose from other than that. So first one is x is a factor of 12. So what are the values we'll get? Factor of 12, 1 2 3 4 and 6, 7 8 9 10. This all not factors. We cannot go more than that because the whole set is showing up to 10. Next, b is an odd number. Odd number is going to be 1 3 5 7 9. Next, c is a prime number. Prime number is going to be 2 3 5 7. That's it. Now we go for ABC 3 sets. Okay, all 3 sets, anything is common, only 3 is common, that should come first. Next, A and B. A and B, how many is common? A and B, 1, 3, only 1 and 3. So 3 already came here, so only 1 is here. Next, B and C, how many common? B and C, 5, 7 is common. So write 5 and 7 here. Next, A and C, anything is common? 2, 3, only 2 and 3 is common. 2, 3 already here, we should write only 2. Now go for set A. What are numbers are left? The left is 1 2 3, 4 6 is left. The 4 and 6 comes here. Next, B set 1 3 5 7, 1 3 5 7, only 9 is left. Okay, then set C, 2 3 5 7, 2 3 5 7 all came. There is nothing. C is empty. Okay, any other number is missing? The main set is 1 to 10. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8 is missing, 10 is missing. So the 8 and 10 should be outside. So just we fill the information here. Next, question B. Use the set notation to complete the statement U and B. U and B contained to Z. That's it. Next one, shade X intersection Z union Y whole complement. So other than Z and Y, the Z and Y should not touch. So the entire outside, so you will get this all the entire thing. So other than this, we will get this. This all the area, sorry, this also will cover, because other than Z and Y, this area also is covered. So we should not touch this B and Z and Y. Now that's our next part is saying intersect with X. Intersect with X. So we'll get this all the part is a common point. This area with the common point, this is the common area. So you need to shade exam, you need to shade only the green area, which I am doing in the green. So only this area is the correct answer. So yeah. The next question, question 17. A plane leaves airport at A and flies 8 kilometers on the bearing 90 degrees. So A is the point here. Apply 8 kilometer, flies 8 kilometer on the bearing of 90. So this is our north pole. So 90 degree is going to be straight here, which is 8 kilometer. Then reached B. This is A, so reached B. Okay, from the point it changes direction and flies 6 kilometer on bearing is 180 degree. So this is the north pole. 180 is going to be straight away here because this is 180 degree. So here is C. How many kilometers? 6 kilometer here and the bearing of 180 degree and reached C. Calculate the distance from A to C. Okay, this is 90 degrees, so you just use Pythagoras. Okay, this is x, so x square equal to 8 square plus 6 square, x equal to square root of 8 square plus 6 square, which is square root of 64 plus 36, so square root of 100, which is going to be 10. So 10 is your answer. Next, given that sine inverse 4 over 5 equal to 53.1, determine the bearing of point C from the point A. From A, so C is here. From A, from the north pole, we need to calculate until here. We know this part is right angle because already given 90 degrees. So only we need to calculate this one, just add with the 90 degree. So here, if it's calculator, we can use the other ratio, tan ratio, but it's non-calculator, so we need to use what is given. So sine inverse 4 over 5. 4 by 5 means here 8, and now this, we know this value, this is going to be 10. 8 over 5, they choose only this angle. So what we can write now, sine C equal to 8 over 10. So angle C equal to sine inverse of this one, we can write as 4 over 5. So sine inverse of 4 over 5. This value already given, which is 53.1. So we know the C value, also we know the B. B is 90 degree. So we can find this angle. So the required angle is going to be 180 minus 90 plus 53.1. So which is equal to 180 minus 143.1, which is 36 plus 9. So this is angle A here. This is 36.9. Now we know, so the bearing here, this one, so 90 plus 36.9, which is going to be 126.9. The answer is 126.9 degree. Next question, find the nth term of the following sequence. in the term. So we need to find the difference here, which is 3 3 3. Okay, keep going. 2 plus 3 plus 3, so it's a linear one. So we have to write again 3n, and n equal to 1, put 3, so we have to get 2, so -1. So 3n minus 1. The next one, again we need to find the nth term. The difference is going to be -2, 2, 4 plus 4, then 2, then 2, 4, then here is 6, then here is 8, here is 10. Go for next one, 2, 2, 2. So it's going to be a quadratic sequence. So the third is 3 things are coming, so 2a equal to 2. The last one is 2a, so a equal to 1. Then the middle one, 3a plus b equal to, the first term is 4, so a value already we know, 3 plus b equal to 4, so b equal to 4 minus 3, which is 1. The first one going to be a plus b plus c equal to -2. A and b value already we know, 1 plus 1 plus c equal to -2, so this is 2. 2 plus c equal to -2, so c equal to -2, then this comes -2, so it's -4. Then the quadratic sequence always like a n square plus b n plus c. Substitute here a equal to 1, so n square plus b equal to 1, which is n c equal to -4. So the answer is n square plus n -4. Next one, calculate the area of the semicircle with the diameter is 10 centimeter. Diameter is given 10 centimeter, so radius is going to be, just make it half, which is 5 centimeter. So area of the semicircle is area equal to pi r square over 2, because circle area is pi r square. This is pi r square by 2, which is pi into r is 5, so 5 square over 2. This is 5 square, which is 5 square is 25, so 25 pi over 2. That's the answer. We need to leave the answer as exact form, so which is 25 pi over 2. Next one, question 20. 160 students recorded the amount of time, 3 hours they each spent playing computer games in a week. Okay, the information shown. Okay, what's the first question? The median. There are 160 students. Okay, median is going to be half of 160 is going to be 80. Just draw the axis 80 here. 80, so it's exactly, it's come here, so 5. They are 5 hours they are playing. Here is the value is 5. Next, the interquartile range. Interquartile range equal to quartile 3 minus quartile 1. Quartile 3 is nothing, which is 3/4 of total 160 minus 1/4 of 160. Which is, this is 40, so this is 120 minus, so we cannot calculate here 120. Okay, just I'll write 120, and here is 40. So go for the hours. Okay, first 120 and 40, so first draw 120. So when I go here 120, so do with the ruler, so we'll get 6. Next I'll go for 40. 40 is going to be, sorry, I draw 60. 40. 3.4. So the upper quartile is going to be 6. The 120 value is going to be 6. The 40 value is going to be 3.4. Just take away this value, 6 minus 3.4. 3.4, the answer is 6, then 2.40, so which is 0, 6, then from 3.6 hours is the answer here. Next, use the diagram to complete the frequency table. Yeah, 0 to 2 is 20. Next, 2 to 4, just check 4 is in 40, each one 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah, each one is 2. So when we go for 4, that is 4.246. 46. Sorry, finding only frequency. It's not cumulative frequency, so you need to find out only frequency. Okay, 2 to 4. 2 to 4, so 2 is going to be 20, and 4 is going to be like 46. 46 minus 20 is going to be 16. Next, 6, go until 6. 6 is going to be 1. 6 is going to be 120. So 4 is going to be 16. 4 is like 46. So 120 minus 46, 74. Next, write x square minus 8x plus 12 in the form of x minus a whole square plus b. So completing the square, so x, make it half, x minus 4 whole square. This number just 4 square plus 12, which is going to be x minus 4 whole square minus 16 plus 12. The answer is going to be x minus 4 whole square minus 4 is the answer here. Next, hence write down the turning point. Turning point, come check the completing the square. Here inside the bracket we have to make it positive, and the outside number same, 4 and negative 4. Next, on the sketch, graph x square minus 8x plus 12. So just for y-intercept is going to be x equal to 0, so y equal to 12. So y-intercept going to be 0 comma 12, so somewhere 12 here. This is the y-intercept point, and the turning point is going to be 4 and negative 4. So 4 somewhere here, negative 4 somewhere. The turning point is going to be 4 and negative 4. And just factorize x square minus 8x plus 12. So multiply time 12, addition time negative 8. It is going to be minus 6 and 2, minus 6 minus 2. So x minus 6 and x minus 2. So x equal to 6, x equal to 2. So 2 and 6. So just should be connected. The turning point is here. It has to move. You have to draw the proper figure. Okay, this is the answer here. Next, to solve the simultaneous equation, you must show all your working. Okay, so make a second one, make a subject minus 2x minus 4 by 3. This you have to plug into first equation, which is 2x square plus 3 into minus 2x minus 4 over 3 equal to negative 8 is going to be 2x square. Just multiply inside, which is minus 6x. 3 got cancelled. Minus 4 equal to minus 8. So 2x square minus 6x, bring the 8 inside in the left side, so it become positive. So negative 4 plus 8 is going to be positive 4 equal to 0. So entire thing there is a 2 common, so just divided by 2 entire equation. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Factorize now. When we multiply 2, addition time is 3, which is 2 and 1. So x minus 1 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so x values, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. First plug in the second equation, x equal to 1. So when you put x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 4 by 3 minus 2 minus 4 by 3. Make the same denominator, is become minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 by 3. So minus 10 by 3. Next one, x equal to 2. Plug in x equal to 2, y equal to minus 2 and minus 2. Minus 4 by 3 is a positive 4 minus 4 by 3, which is positive 4. Sorry, this is a plus 2. So it's negative 4, 12. Make a same denominator, is negative 12, negative 16 by 3. So negative 16 by 3. That's the answer for this question. The next one, yeah, a and b is given, so multiply 3 by a. So the answer is very simple, which is 6 and negative 6 and negative 12. Next one, 2b, so 2 times this 6 and 12. Next one, 4 times a. 4 times a is going to be 8 and negative 16 plus b, 3 and 6. Just add up. 8 plus 3 is 11 and minus 10. This is the answer, 11 and negative 10. Next question, 24, is a vector question. So ABCD is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are equal and parallel. N is the point on BD, so BN and 2ND is 1/4. So total ratio is 5. BN is going to be 4/5 and this is going to be 1/5. Okay, so first you need to find the BD. BD is going to be, so here is known. Okay, so I'll write BA vector plus AD vector. BA is negative s because the direction is here, so negative s plus t. Next to CN. CN is going to be CD plus DN. CD is here is to here is a same direction, here to here is yes. So when it will come negative, it's going to be negative s plus, this is BD. So BD is down to up, so we are coming D to N, so it's going to be negative s, negative 1/5 of BD. The entire BD is going to be, already we just calculated, minus s plus t. Expand everything, minus s minus 1 by 5 s minus 1 by 5 t. Just simplify the s value, make the same denominator, minus 25 minus, sorry, this is minus 5. So minus 5s minus s over 5 minus 1 by 5t, which is 5 minus 6s by 5 minus 1 by 5t. So the answer is, this is, sorry, minus of minus is plus, sorry, that's my mistake. So minus 5 plus 4 is minus 4. So the final answer going to be minus 4s over 5 minus 1 minus t over 5. So that's the final answer. Yeah, that's the end of the paper.